practicing, getting the kart perfect.
Last season, I won the whole season.
Every weekend I'm out at the track, I'm racing somewhere.
How old are you?
5.
I'm 14.
I'm 10.
I'm 14, gonna be 15 in a couple weeks.
I'm 16.
My real dream is to be in Formula One.
I want to race IndyCar.
Tell them who you're going to be when you grow up. Yeah, who do you want to be like?
Little Wee. He's my favorite driver, and I like him a lot, and he's a red car, and I like red. My dad, he used to race sprint karts over at Daytona, and then he got me into racing the kid karts.
Started when I was 8 years old. I started out in quarter midgets.
My dad used to build race car motors, and there was a kart laying around the shop. So I just went out to the reservoir one day and just drove it around, and I liked it, and it turned into this.
Yeah, $2,000 I won from Briggs Stratton.
And then what are you? The 2004?
2004 Grand National Champion.
So are you going to race today?
Yeah.
When?
Right now.
Right now. Okay.
We're shifting constantly every lap. We probably shift about 30 times each lap or more. And we go about 90 miles an hour on certain tracks. On this track, we top out about 70.
Here they do about 60 on the straight.
My name's Carol Brown. I've been racing for 7 years. Actually, this is my second race back from a race that I had up in Reno, and I got in a bad accident.
I don't know, I just started, just watching races on TV all the time and just had to have some.
It was one of my friends, he said, come out and try these karts. They were doing like a celebrities race in Vegas, and I went out and I never rode one before and I got 9th. And so the guy instantly just gave me one and said, you're gonna start racing these for me, pretty much.
I was actually racing up at the X-Kart series in Reno, and some guy actually came off the track, was getting back on the track, and I clipped his tire and I went up and I flipped over, and then the kart actually landed on top of me and broke 4 of my ribs.
Your ribs kind of take a beating. If you don't have a rib protector, you're through.
I started this like a year ago. We've been trying to adapt them all so other people like me can start. I used to race motocross professionally, and that's how I got hurt. And I went to a charity thing in Vegas and someone had one of these made for me. And it's just been a tough time trying to get it all dialed in so it works, and it's almost there now. We took a master cylinder off a road GP bike. We got a quick release here so the handlebars come off so I can get in and out because it's hard to get in and out. Motocross throttle, Motion Pro, they helped us make some cables, and then had these feet things made to hold my feet in. We're just Velcroing them in. I was kind of sketchy on it at first, but it works. I want to be on top. I want to win.
It feels great to win.
It's kind of like an adrenaline rush.
And I immediately fell in love with it.
It's a lot more fun to see female racers out here kicking the boys' butt.
Racing is cool. I'm glad to be doing it.